Welcome to lasa.africa. Today we share a presentation of our WH new 4C book. Let's go in and open a box. For the first step, you require one part number 5, the board, 2 part A's, the screw. The item does come with a full screwdriver. You can use a power tool if you can. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require a previous assembly, one part number 4, 2 part C, our wooden dials, 2 part G, our screw. The item does come with an Allen key. You can use your power tool if needed. Let's assemble. For the next step, we require a previous assembly, one part number 4, 2 part B, our lockers, 2 part C, our wooden dial. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require one part 2, the board, one part 3, 4 part A is the screw. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require previous assemblies, 4 part B, our lockers, 4 part C, our wooden dials. Let's assemble. When assembling, this is board number 5. For the next step, you require board number 6 and 4 part E is the feet. Let's assemble. For our next step, we require our previous assemblies, 2 part number 7, 6 part G, 6 part C. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require 2 parts number 7. We're just going to fit them on the backboards. For the next step, we require part 1, the board, 6 part 8, the screw. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require previous assemblies, also 6 part B, the lockers, 6 part C, the wooden dial. Let's assemble. For the next part, you require 12 part number D. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require part number F, the stickers. Let's assemble. Thank you for watching the assembly of our WH New 4C book. Please go to the website www.lasa.africa to view more of our product assemblies, more of our products. Thank you.